Hello. I'd like to say hello to Gabrielle and Wyatt. This is the Benchmade 940 aluminum with some kind of coating. I don't know. It's kind of chalky. This is a great knife. Gotta be, I can't say one's my favorite because I get so many different knives, but this is a good one. It really is. I've got it in the carbon fiber scales, but I like this one. Got this purple spacer there. It's I think it's a 3.4 inch blade, S30V, Osborne design. Got the access lock. This one, it just drops. I don't have any back and forth play, up and down, nothing. It's not open, but I put Q-tips in there, cleaned it out. It's a great knife, super sharp, love the steel. I've had it for a few months now. It's just kind of an overview of the knife, just to take a look at it. So, beautiful knife. Got a couple chips in there. One there. One there. But if anybody knows, there's tons of reviews on this knife. It does chip easily. If you use it or drop it or anything. Yeah, it's bouncing off. Usually it doesn't, but so smooth. Yeah, I like this one. This is my favorite though. I like this one better than the one with the S90V because it's kind of a stone washed blade. I've seen ones from Knife Works. They have the G10 blue. I forgot what color backspacers they got, but it's opened. They got 20 CV steel on that one. It's only $200. This one's cheaper, but it's a nice knife. I like it. Use it a lot. Wouldn't seem to like I use it a lot, but I keep it clean. And I do light work with it, mostly cutting open boxes and things like that. Those plastic ties that hold stuff down, packages and things like that. I think it's like 3 ounces or just under 3 ounces. Real light, pretty thin. Sits well in the pocket. Yeah, it's a good knife. One of my favorites. Somebody wants an EDC knife. Can't go wrong with this one, that's for sure. Or collecting or whatever. If I was collecting, I wouldn't have the chips on there like that. It's only 2 chips I got. I collect the carbon fiber one. That one I don't use. But yeah, there you go. It's a good one. Very good. Benchmade 940 USA.
Oh my God, you Jack, you little slut. No pressure.
Get you some. Try to get you some close-up looks of it. Yep, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the look at the Benchmade 940. Aluminum handle. I don't know what kind of coating they put on there. Kind of chalky. Feels good though. Like it. Later.